Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dreaming Suju, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to become fully valid on Ecoin. Yes, if you are unable to get uh, withdrawal, unable to get your withdrawal because of you are not fully valid, then this video will help you. Okay, in this video I am going to tell you how to become the fully valid and how to get your title fully valid, and you can withdraw your ecoins. And if you are still not registered on the ecoin, you can check the official links in the description and you can register. Please don't skip this video anywhere. Every step should be followed strictly to become the fully valid. Okay, before we start, there are two news I have to tell you. One good news and one is bad news. Let's start with the good news. Good news is the value of Ecoin is increased by 1400%, and the last price was $0.00013, but the current price is $0.003. And the sad news is, and we are going to get only 300 coins on first refer and the 75 coins in the second refer. Just hope the value of the coin will be increased in the upcoming days. Let's start with how to get fully valid. Previously it is very easy to become the fully valid on the Ecoin. Just you have to sign up, and within the 2 or 3 days you get the title of the full valid. Now the community sets some criteria to get you the title of fully valid. You have to complete all the criteria. Let's talking about the criteria. Verify your mobile. First one is verify your mobile. You can verify your mobile with by linking with the WhatsApp, by linking your accounts with the WhatsApp. If you are not the user of the WhatsApp, you can download it from the App Store or the Play Store and register it with the mobile number. This is the dashboard. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, this is the dashboard, and you can see there verify mobile number option. You can just click there, and this type of interface open in your screen. You can click that icon, and WhatsApp will open, and you have to send a small code that is automatically written on your message. You don't have to write anything on your note. You send that code, your ID code, to that number. And the second step is link Telegram. You can link Telegram only through the Telegram app, and this app is also available in the App Store or the Play Store. Just simply you can register it with the mobile number like WhatsApp and Viber. On the dashboard you can see that the link Telegram option. Just click on the link Telegram. If you have already downloaded the Telegram, just click on this link, or if you don't have downloaded this Telegram, you can download it from the Google Play or the App Store. Just let's move to the next step. Next step is a Brave browser. What to do with the Brave browser? Okay, you have to log in your Ecoin account for at least 7 days from the Brave browser. Then only you can get valid on Ecoin account, and after that you can transfer your Ecoin to the Wombat wallet and withdraw from there. Let's move to the next, that is the positive aspect of the Ecoin. Why you should engage on the Ecoin? Since its value is increasing at a higher rate, it may reach to the $1 per coin. And the second Second benefit is that you get the monthly interest on your balance available in your saving account. Yes, you get a minimum 10% bonus or interest on your saving account, and the main part is you can get the second referral bonus also. Okay, this much for today. If you find this video is helping you, then you can subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.